Hi everyone, I'm Jamil here. In this video, you guys will learn how to become a good salesman, good salesperson, a best salesperson in the market. If you guys didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon button so that every video being uploaded from my side come to you guys first and you guys get the benefit of that video. Okay, we start our video. Please see this video till end so that you guys get the benefit, achieve the benefit of that video completely. Okay, in this video we'll learn how you guys become a good salesperson, a greater salesperson. What is the salesperson? The person who sell the services or product in the market. So from where the saleship or the salesmanship start from the customer, because ultimate all the services, all the product that we sell to the customers, to the consumer that avail the services, that consume the services. So our all salesmanship work start from the customer. So what is the customer? Customer is the persons who avail the services and who consume the services. So what the customer expecting from the salesmanship? Customers is who purchasing some product or who avail some sort of services. He always expecting something, expecting in shape of any remuneration, any profit, or any goodwill, any reputations, or any reward, any benefit, any appreciation from you guys. Good salesperson is those who need to analyze, who need to understand the need of the customer, what the customer expecting, what the customer want. So to become a good salesperson, there are some sort of feature, there's some sort of the tricks and tips that you guys should learn and adopt in your life, in your work, so that you will be able to get the benefits becoming a good salesperson in your profession. Okay, so we start about the benefits, the feature that you should adopt so that you guys can excel yourself in the market. First, you need to treat the customers with very politely, very truly, and in very generous way. For example, if customer trying to get any sort of information about your product or services, you shouldn't be get annoyed why customer demanding the information again and again. Definitely, if you want to purchase or avail some sort of product services, he is curious to know about the product information, and you need to tell them so that they can purchase or avail the services, purchase the product. So you shouldn't be annoyed, should answer what they are expecting, the information, so that they can give you the best benefits. And definitely, if some person is satisfied with your product and services, he will become a positive word of mouth, and in the future, apart from him, as he became your actual customer from the potential customer, he will be a positive word of mouth, and definitely through him you can attract the other persons from the markets, so that the potential customer of these become your actual customer and you get the complete benefit of your salesmanship. And the third is you should be informative about your product and services, so that in the market, if you are trying to sell some product or services, you can define to the peoples what is the uniqueness, what is the goodness, what is the benefit. For example, if you are trying to sell some sort of service, you should need to know about all the benefit, all the drawbacks of the product and services, so that you can tell to the customer. For example, we see in the banking industry, in some product industry, in some services industries, you should be know about what your organization, what your company, what your personal is giving the benefit as compared to the other persons, other same organization parallel that are working in the market, and what are the value added services your organization is providing. So you need to explain, you need to elaborate, you need to demonstrate to the people, so that they can definitely differentiate it and they can purchase and avail the services. And the fourth is, you guys should be true and fair with the customer. For example, you need to draw a positive, a clear, and accurate, concise picture in front of the customer, so that the customer will definitely maintain with you to purchase your product and services. Definitely in the marketplace, we see the many salesmen that use some sort of market myopia. I mean, they sold some sort of services or some sort of products, selling the benefit that's not maintain or contain their product and their services. So definitely they destroy their customer, they lose their customer, because they customer purchase something, they're not satisfied with it, they are become a negative word of mouth, and in the future they also destroy your potential customer. So if you draw true and fair picture in front of the customer, definitely this potential buyer will become your actual buyer. They will purchase your product and services, and they will become your positive word of mouth, and definitely through them you will able to get many other potential customer. They will become your real time actual customer. So these all are the features that should be in a good salesmanship, in a salesman, to excel in the market, to get the benefit in the market. So you guys should learn and adopt these tricks and these tips, these techniques, so that you can become a good salesman person. Till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.